After priming and setting the eyes, begin by applying Soft Core, a matte warm pink shade above the crease. This is our transition shade. You can find a product list in the description box. Next, I'm placing Sandbar, a matte neon pink, into the crease and blending that into the transition. Deepen the outer and inner corners with Caddy, a matte deep violet. Connect the corners along the crease, building this color up slowly. Go back and forth between the neon pink and purple until they are blended and vibrant. Diffuse the edges with more of the warm pink. Using a small flat brush and some concealer, cut the crease. If you have slightly hooded eyes like me, it helps to look up, allowing the concealer to transfer, and use that as a guideline. Before it can crease, set the concealer with Moonstruck, a metallic peachy gold. Here I'm using Opulent, a bright fuchsia with a blue sheen to create a transition between the gold and purple. I think I should have diffused the edges of the concealer a bit to prevent that harsh line I seem to be struggling with. Clean up any fallout and apply your usual facial routine. Sweep the warm pink all along the lower lash line. Concentrating right at the base of your lashes, deepen the outer and inner thirds of the lash line with the purple, lining up with the top lid. Lightly blend. Apply the gold to the middle of the lower lash line. Blend the gold and purple together with the fuchsia. Highlight the brow bone and inner corner with Tickled, a soft, glittery, opalescent pink. Finish off the look with some mascara and you're done! Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, where I post sneak peeks and updates. Feel free to let me know what you think of this look and request any looks you'd like to see. Thanks for watching!